Hey guys, Stabs here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to walk you through a tool online that will help you clone any WordPress template out there, and then you can use this template for you to develop a WordPress theme or develop your WordPress website. Regardless, this tool work fine. So if you're in this space and you love the idea of this, let's get started together. If you have an existing HTML template that you want to convert to a WordPress theme, this would be a perfect tool to help you. And if you're looking at just cloning any WordPress template online, you just love what that template looks like, this theme would help you just clone the template and not the entire website. I need to clarify that. I'll get into it very shortly. But if you just look into using a page as a template, then this tool will come in very handy for you. That's a dual interface. So this is the main website, themematcher.com. You would see that it says instant WordPress theme that matches your website. So you would plug in any URL here and then you create a theme. Is as simple as that. But like I said, it is just a template. So what this website would do is that this website would pick the URL page itself, not the entire website. If you plug in an URL here, it will use that, it will turn that URL as a template for you to just design your entire website or a new theme. In that sense, you can just easily clone the header and the footer, and then you have your WordPress area where you post your content. So before I waste so much time trying to describe what this theme does, I think I simply walk through would help you. So if you have a live website, you have a website you just want to create, you can just plug that here. And this theme is fantastic again, that it has an HTML to WordPress tool, that you have an HTML file somewhere you want to make it live, you can easily just upload the zip here, and then you have that live. For the sake of this tool here, I don't have any HTML website that I want to test with today, so I'll be using a platform called templatemo.com. So you can easily come here, you find tons and tons of HTML template you can easily download, and then we can use it on this site as an example for us to see how it works. So if I check out this, so I have this amazing template here. This is an HTML template. So you can check out the terms of use or terms and conditions of this website before you come here and just download their template to use. There might be terms and conditions, so please do check that out. But this is a fantastic HTML template here. You can just easily download this by hitting the download button here, and if you do that, you have access to this. So you can see I have this downloading already, but I can cancel this because I think I have downloaded this at some point or the other. I should have it on my laptop. So that's how I can easily download. Okay, let's start with HTML. Let me upload the zip file I downloaded before we go through to the live website. So yeah, we are uploading the zip file right now. This may take a minute or two for it to successfully upload, so we just have to give it some time. While this is uploading, I can come back to my live website here for me to play around things and see what I can do with this. So let me use a random website I know, and I'll hit the create theme button. All right, so this is done. So you can see that I have absolutely the same template here. I have it right now here live. You would see that once you upload the zip, the first step that you'll be told to do is to hover your mouse around different parts of the page, click to select the area you want to replace as WordPress content. So you see that once you hover around, you can select places you want to feature your WordPress blog content. So you see all of this. But one of the things about this is that we may just want to pick this as a header. I have noticed while I have tested with this platform that this platform just understands the header, the body, and the footer. So you want to make sure that you differentiate between that, because that's the only way you can use it as a template for you to create another page, or when you're trying to design perhaps a website. But you would see that once I keep hovering around, I can select where I want to display my WordPress content. So what I will do right now is for me to select this area now as my WordPress content area. So once I do this, I can still contract. There's no place to expand more. So if I selected a very small space here, I will have the option for me to expand this. So I can just hit the next step. Do I want to have a sidebar for my blog? And then I can just say no sidebars. I don't really like using sidebars right now. So that said, we can still remove areas we don't want. So what I can do is for me to still say yes, I want to remove areas. So for example, I don't want this area. No. So you can see that if I keep hovering around everything, I can delete as much as I want to. So you can see I can still delete this. So I can keep deleting and deleting. I can delete that as well. The idea really is for us to have a template for our website. So you can see now I have my footer, which is fantastic. Then I also have my header, which is great. And I can also, for example, I don't like the logo, I want to take away the logo. So I want to be able to add another logo. I can as well take away the menu as well, and then add a new menu entirely in my new WordPress website. But that's very simple to understand, so I'm sure you wouldn't have a problem trying to do that. I can take away anything I still want to take away, but I think that's good enough for now. I don't want this logo here. I want to take it away as well. All right, so you can see I may also want to take away this footer credit. I may want to perhaps add my own eventually later. So that's good enough for now. So anything you don't want right now on the website, you can easily delete and then add something entirely different maybe later for your blog. But this is the concept of this tool. It works pretty amazingly. So once you are done with everything, you will see a button up here that says create theme, and then you can hit this, and within a split second, like in less than a minute, you can still see that our theme is ready immediately. So, and then we can preview theme, and it will say this exactly how your WordPress theme would look. I think there's a mistake here. It should be this is exactly how your WordPress will look. And so we can preview the theme for us to see exactly what we want. So as you can see, my theme is ready. So this is exactly what it will look like. I have my footer here, so I have my WordPress content here, but I can yank this content away and then put another design I want to put in here in between. So somehow anything that works for me, since I want to use this to design a website. This is good enough for this tutorial right now. So if I come up here, most likely this is what you would see if you're trying to work with this. You'd see this tool that says download theme. That's how it works. You may not be able to see this save a revision. You would see download theme, but if you click this, you would see that you have to download this theme for instant $47. So that's the their payment gateway secured with ClickBank. But I find this theme quite useful and worth every penny you're spending on it, depending on what you want to do, especially if you want to do something very, very valuable, something very, very real quick. So if you're a WordPress developer and you want to start designing WordPress themes, and you just want to have a template for you to design your WordPress theme, you know that $47 for you to pay to start using this platform is nothing compared to the value you get. You can see how easy it is for me to create a template within split seconds to have a WordPress theme. That's pretty amazing. So if you also want to design a website and you find a website online that is that you love the design and you just want to clone the template for you to be able to use, that this is also amazing, and I'm sure that $47 will be a good pay for you to get started with. And this has a 60-day money back guarantee. In case you don't like what you have and you have any issues using the theme, you should be able to contact them within 60 days and then you get your refund. It's unbranded, you get priority support, and it is a very pretty much lightweight theme, and it will help your website. For me, I would just love to save this as a revision. Okay, so then I can come here and then download my theme. All right, I have my theme already downloaded, just 2.1 MB, and that's pretty much light. So I think this is exactly how to use this theme. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Delete everything you don't need, put your content somewhere in between. Just have it as a template in that sense, not cloning the entire website. Let me check out this. So you can see that I put a random website initially, and it's the same process whether it is a live site or it is a file you're uploading as a zip of an HTML website. Either it's still the same concept. So you can see I have my site here. I can easily hover around for me to specify where I want to use as my WordPress content. The content itself doesn't necessarily mean it must be a blog. It means that where you want to put your own custom design, really. And I think I would show you eventually how that works before I end this video. Let me just mark this area as my WordPress area. Yes, I can say next step. Do I want a sidebar? No, I don't. I can go next. I can then create theme. There's no need to delete any other area at all. So you can see again within split seconds my theme would be ready now. Okay, theme is ready, so let's preview. This is exactly how your WordPress would look like. So you need to see exactly, oh, I didn't delete the logo away, which is not very nice of me. I should have deleted the logo. I can still come back, really. I can still come back and then try to take away the logo. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay, I think I did use this place initially. Yeah, no sidebar. So let's remove some elements. So I'd love to remove this. I can as well still remove every of this, but I will leave that. But at least the logo is something I really do not want to use. I can then create this theme. Okay, so now let's preview this theme. Okay, so just the same thing. The difference is just that I took away the logo, as we can see here, but we can see that we have pretty much everything. I didn't take away the logo here as well, which is not too good. So well, you have to take away as many things as possible as you would love to, and then you can hit the download button and check out as usual. But again, I will go the save revision route for me to be able to download this theme. So let's use these two themes as a template for us to see exactly what to do. So I have this theme here, so let's download this theme. So while this theme is downloading, I have a website here I want to use for us to test this theme. So I would like to add a new theme here, and then I would like to upload a theme. I can drag and drop this theme. You may want to rename the theme to any name that suits you. For the sake of the tutorial, I would not be doing that. So we are uploading our theme right now to WordPress. So as you can see, the theme has been installed. Before we activate this is exactly what the default WordPress theme looks like. 2021 theme. So now let's activate this theme and let's see what we'll have. Okay, so this theme has been activated, and then I can refresh this page, and then I have my demo here, as you can see. So it means that I can literally put every design I want to put in between here to have another fantastic website. So this is exactly how this works. But before I continue doing the editing, let's add the second theme for us to see how this works. I can upload this theme, and then let me drag and drop this here, and let's install this. Okay, we have this theme installed, and then we can just activate this as well. And then let's see what our website will look like right now. This is not how to use the website really, because if I try right now, if I come here, I try to create another page. Let's add new, and then I try to do demo. Let's try and publish this page. I'm not putting any content here yet, but let's view this page. You see that the demo page itself here is carrying the same content. So you don't want to have this content on every of the page. So the idea, what theme Mecha will give you is a template, something you can use more. So I will always advise that you take your template from the header and also from the footer, and then you can have a WordPress area here where you can put your own custom design, so that you don't have any problem with intellectual property online and the likes of it. So that's exactly really how it works. So this practically would be very, very stressful to edit. However, there's still a way. You can use a page builder like Elementor or another page builder out there, and then you can just use Elementor as a new canvas entirely to design something new as a new page. If that works fine for you, then that's okay. But really, I love the idea of how it works. Work more like a template. So let me go back to WordPress, and then let me install the first theme we uploaded. So let's come back to themes, and then let's activate this. So let's come back to demo and let's refresh this page. So you can see that I still have the option to put my demo content here in between the footer and the header, and really that's exactly how it works. So let's edit this page. I already have Elementor plugin installed, so I can literally edit this page with Elementor. So here I can then do all my designs with Elementor and just continue designing my website really, and is pretty much that very simple to use. For the sake of this tutorial, perhaps I should just install a plugin, add new. I can search for element kit. So here's a plugin. Let's install this plugin. This plugin works pretty much well to give us a good library of elements that we can bring into our Elementor. So we have this set. That's good correctly. So let's come back. Let's refresh this page entirely. Now let's edit this with Elementor. So you can see now that we have another icon here, and this is for element kit. And when we use this plugin, we'll have pages here that we can easily bring into our WordPress website. So let's say, for example, I want to bring in a page like let's say a page like this. All right, so I can insert this page. Okay, so I already have an amazing website here using my initial template. So I'm going to have to take away this demo, the name of the page. So as you can see, this is a fantastic website here, and then having my footer and my header as a template for every of the pages I want to design. So let me just update this page. So before we view our page, we need to take away this demo. I think if we come down to the page here, we should be able to put the page layout as Elementor full width. So making it full width alone has taken away the title, but we have options there as well to change our title, and I think this is good. This has made it full width. It would make it sync correctly. Okay, so depending on how you really want to design your website, you may not make it full width. You can easily come down here and then title the demo, you can change it, or hide title, you can just activate it to hide the title. But that's pretty much exactly how it works. So I need to update this page one more time and then view the page. So my demo page is ready. So that's it. That's beautiful, and I can go on and on and on to design other pages of the website. This may be the home page. You can also maybe design the about page, service page. So that's it. I think the menu here is very useless because it's a one-page website. So this is supposed to take me to the next anchor part of the website. But again, I can as well create this anchor with Elementor on different pages of the website for it to link down as a one-page website. I don't want to go into that. If you want to do that, you can let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I can do a video around that, but that's simple, very easy for you to put anchors into your elements down below here, so that this would just simply refer them to any part of the page. That's not something very difficult. Again, the easy thing would have been that you take away this menu entirely, so that you can create a new menu entirely for the website. But again, it's a fantastic tool that will help you just bring out that template from the old website and put it into the new one. So if this is very useful, you can check out the tool. Let me know in the comment section how you interact with it. If you have questions, you can let me know. I will do well to answer. So you can create different pages and then have them live using the same template. You can use any preferred page builder you want for you to design more accurate, beautiful pages in your templates. And as well, you can create a blog session like this as well. I think the home page is still carrying the blog content, which is something that we can work on eventually, even if it's a blog, for it to be a little bit more beautiful. So that's it. So that's exactly how this work. Let me know how you feel about this in the comment section, and you can give this tool a trial. I want to let you know that you will get value for your money. I have a link to this tool, teammatcher.com, in the description below. You can check it out and then you can try it out. So if this tool works for you, give me a thumbs up. If you find this tutorial very helpful, you can as well give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, any clarification, you can let me know in the comment section below. I will look out for them to help you as much as possible. I'll continue more awesome tutorial like this in my subsequent videos, so subscribe for you to be notified when I keep posting awesome videos. And until my next video, I'll see you. Bye for now.